Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another banging video. So it's nice and early right now. I just woke up, so I feel like my eyes might still be a little bit red, so don't be scared. But anyways, we're about to get ready for work. Thankfully I've been better at like my time management and stuff. So usually I feel like I do these videos and I have like 10 minutes or 20 minutes to get ready. Right now I technically still have like 50 minutes till my shift starts, but I want to like make sure I have enough time to make myself breakfast, you know, like take something to work, like a little snack. I probably want to lay out my clothes because as soon as I get back from work I have to go to the library. So like there's just little things that I have to do. So yeah, I don't want to like obviously be getting ready for a whole hour because that's so unnecessary. But anyways, yeah, I'm starting with my concealer. I low-key forgot to take off some of my makeup last night. I was so tired. I took out a little bit, but I don't think I took out the whole thing. So therefore, my eyes still have like a lot of like black under it, like black mascara, which probably does not look super cute, but it is what it is. Like, it's been a week, y'all. So today is Friday, so it's the end of the week. So yeah, get ready with me on a Friday for a Friday morning shift. I'm gonna sleep in tomorrow. And the thing is that like, because like I'm in school and stuff, so for example, like truthfully, the life of, you know, an employee, like, you know, a pharmacy tech or whatever. Why do I have something in my eye? Of a pharmacy tech and also of a student. Like, I literally today, like, I'm gonna come out of work and then gotta go straight to like drive 40 minutes to campus, because there's a study session going on for like one of the classes I'm in, which is extremely hard for me, so I need to be there. And so that's just really like how my day goes. And I kind of want to film that more, like days in my life, but I don't know if that's like interesting to watch. So y'all let me know, okay? Because I want to make sure like my content, you know, is something y'all care to see. But I find that more like intriguing and stuff like that, and like I thought it would be cool to film. So let me know if that's something you guys want to see. But other than that, yeah, I'm just getting ready. Last night I had school and I came home and I filmed I think like 2 videos, yeah, on like telling you guys how to use like a lotto machine for people that are trying to get into customer service, because that's a question that I got a lot. I also filmed a video in which I told you guys like the correct ages, which is honestly like any age, but like who, you know, is more capable to be a cashier and things like that, because everyone was like nervous, and I was like, don't, how you know how to deal with your nerves and all this stuff. I basically filmed all that last night. And then yeah, so and it's like a lot going on in the world right now, and I just hate to see everything like the way it is. Like, I just wish everybody would just honestly like get along and stuff like that, because I feel like it's causing problems, obviously, like everywhere. So it's just a sad situation. But anyway, I wonder who I'm gonna work with today, like who's there. I'm so excited for my study session today because I just want to understand like the material that I'm learning for real. For real. Anyways, I'm not gonna do like a super big makeup look today. Probably something like a little bit more simple, no lashes or anything, just because I gotta go the whole day with whatever look I do right now. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with my lashes, like I've gone to school plenty of times with them, but I just feel like I want to study today, and I want to probably be like comfortable when I get home from work, and just like, you know, change and not be dealing with like a whole bunch of makeup on me. So besides, it's early, so it's like, when it's this early, I just don't just don't like heavy makeup at night. Of course. Morning? No. So anyways, you better comment down below and be like, let me know what y'all got going on, because the only thing about doing these videos is I like to get ready. Like, I like to feel like I'm getting ready with people, and like, although I'm recording this video and stuff right now, I know like I'm by myself, but yeah, I don't want to hear about like what y'all got going on and stuff like that. Like, I really do be caring for like, what do y'all got going on? Like, what am I, you know, like, I don't know. So I feel like every YouTuber says that, and then like you come under the thing and they just don't care. And like, you know, if I see a comment, I know I'm gonna go out of my way to answer it back. So yeah, it's almost Halloween. I kept telling people, I was like, oh, it's almost Thanksgiving, and it's like, yeah, Patricia, you're skipping a whole holiday. Like, I know I have some Halloween fanatics, and I did not mean to just skip over it. So let me just trying to make my eyebrows really pop. I gotta probably go get them done though. I'm gonna try to wait a little bit longer though, just because like I feel like I've been kind of doing them myself and they don't look that bad when I do them. Good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, I wonder, like, everyone's coming in for vaccines and stuff. So I wonder if today's gonna be a very busy day. Great. I put so much highlight. It's crazy. Well, I'm gonna mattify it now because I'm gonna put some of this. The good thing is, like, for lunch, I'm gonna have Chipotle. I love already having my lunch. I do have to do a few groceries though after work, but for the most part, like I said, I'm excited because I'm gonna have my lunch because my brother bought me Chipotle. Shout out to him. I love like having something already home, so I can just come home and like not have to worry about what am I gonna eat. So oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys the most important part. How funny. But basically, because I've been working in the company, I think for 5 years or more than 5 years or something like that, the anniversary for it is coming up. Oh my god, I got makeup all over my shirt. The anniversary is coming up, and so you get like a prize or like a gift. And so today I'm gonna pick my gift for like having worked here so long. I don't know what my options are. I haven't been able to see it, so I'm gonna ask one of the guys who works with me like how to do it, how to see that, so I can order something, because the last day to order it is tomorrow. and I don't know how to order it, but yeah, I'll take my free gift because I've given a lot of myself to this company, so I deserve it. Anyways, let's put on these earrings. So yeah, I'm like excited about that. So hopefully I work with like one of the specific managers, because I feel like the other ones doesn't ever really know about that technological stuff. Well, low-key, I feel like I could ask anybody, like any management that works there. I don't think it has to be specific to to the pharmacy. So I'll just ask somebody else if anything. But I'm excited. Hopefully they're like good gifts. Hopefully. I kind of missed working in the pharmacy though. Like, although I don't love early shifts, the good thing about an early shift is that you come out early, which is the best because obviously then you can make the most out of your day. So like, it's fine. And today's Friday, so I think I'd rather an early shift than a late shift. Not that I have any plans of really like going out, I just need to go study. But still, it's probably better this way. Yeah, it's probably better this way. And like I said, I was missing the pharmacy. I know the pharmacy was missing me. I feel like my eyes look like really like dark under it because I had all that makeup from yesterday that I didn't take off. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I love a white waterline. Obsessed. That's how it's kind of like looking. I plan on putting like little gems under my eye, but I don't know if I want to kind of like try to clean up my liner first. I feel like it's just a lot going on down there, so I'll be right back. All right, so I cleaned the liner a little bit from under my eye. I'm gonna wait for that to dry a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna do little gems under my eye. And I also kind of been liking to put one. Oh, I didn't highlight my brows yet. I feel like I have like a set makeup routine that I always do, so yeah. I like to put a little bit of highlight on my brow. All right guys, so this is the final look. I might put actually a little bit more of this lipstick just because I don't like dark colors. Like I like a light gloss. So all right guys, this is the actual final look. I might part my hair down the middle or keep it like this. I'm still not sure. I didn't do much to my hair today. I just kind of like left it down. And yeah, I'll pick it up if I need to, but I don't think I'll need to because today just involves a lot of like computer work and things like that. So I don't know, I feel like I might just leave my hair down. But I have my earrings, my jewelry, my name tag, my uniform, like everything's good. My makeup is simple, but it's better than from where we started. I'm gonna put on my bracelet, spray myself with some perfume. I'm about to go have breakfast obviously before work as well because I don't want to be like hungry. Can't function if I'm hungry. I have like a very short shift today though, so I guess that's good. But yeah, that basically just concludes today's video. Thank you guys for getting ready with me. I'm probably, like I said, just gonna go finish up some things and then head to work. But if I don't have a chance to film, I just gonna kind of like do my outro now, I guess. But yeah, I like how this came out. Simple but pretty and practical because I gotta keep it on the rest of the day. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because we are on a road to 10K. Let's get it. And aside from that, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. I'm sending you guys all my love. You guys are gonna have an amazing day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.